In this video we'll learn how to make a 3D paper elephant and explore a little line variety using a simple wax resist technique. The 3D elephant design is courtesy of the inspiring artist Claire Youngs, of which the elephant template can be downloaded from her website. Materials you will need for this art lesson are a paintbrush, one A4 sheet of card, water pot, watercolour paint, elephant template and a wax crayon or oil pastel. To start, select a crayon or pastel. Here I'm working with a white crayon which will show up once the water paint has been applied, but really you can work with any colour you like. Draw some lines with the pastel. Here I did a kind of grid where the lines cross over one another. Mix up some paint, it should be quite thin with plenty of water mixed in. Then go over the whole page with a layer of paint and your paintbrush. This part is great fun for kids as the lines start to appear like magic. Put the painting to one side to dry while you cut out the shapes of the 3D elephant template. Next, carefully cut out the little slots where indicated on the template. Take your painting from before, lay over the template and very carefully cut the correct shape. Make sure that you don't rush this part and you get all the shapes correct. To complete this elephant, take your shapes and slot them into each other. This should allow your elephant to stand up. You could even choose to use a Sharpie pen or a black marker to make an eye if you wanted. In the next part of this video, you'll see that we explore a little bit of line variety and generally just have some fun. So here I have actually compacted the 3D elephant down and made it into almost a piece of art on its own. This could even be made into a greetings card. And here I'm just going to experiment with some different coloured wax crayons and just have a bit of fun with the wax resist effect. So really it's about experimentation, making sure that you get a nice watery paint and you get that contrast between the wax crayon and whatever colour you choose to go with. In keeping with the influence of the artist Claire Young, I'd like you to just stick in your sketchbooks, your experiments, make sure that they're fully dry before you do, and again before you close your sketchbook make sure that both pages are completely dry so you don't get any unwanted residue. Again, if you have extra time at the end of the lesson, why not explore and experiment with a second layer over your dry layer? So wet on dry, and see what you can come up with and see what different mark making strategies and line varieties you can explore.